evening, sir. This is first 10 commandments of the driving, the traffic management of driving. First is I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, and nor fatigued. And the second is I will not pass without care on the nor hills nor views of unseen by the eye. Three is I will not violate speed laws nor exceed speed limits. Number four is I do not disobey highway signs, traffic signals. Five is I did not take a twice without signaling by intentions. Number six is I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, and hospitals and other dangerous zones. Okay na. Number seven is I will not be careless when crossing at the intersections. Number eight is I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. Number nine is I will slow down when twilight comes and say road conditions before me. Number 10 is I will be courteous and respectful of the night of every drivers and pedestrian. Good evening, sir. These are the three sets of 10 commandments. First is a self-clearance, 10 commandments. First is keep right, and the second is observe road courtesy, and three is prohibited parking. Four, if an adult, do not overtake. Five, the bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zones. Number six is rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. Seven is observe traffic management measures. And eight, the philosophy of Pinoy driver first come first serve vehicles. And number nine is on pedestrian. Number 10 is remember the international driving safety reminders. And let's continue the second commandments of road safety from the traveler. First is the shalt not gaze into the phone, and the second is the shalt not throw trash out of the window. Three is the shall not or never driving intoxicated. Four is the shall not ticket any changes. Five is the shall buckle up the cage. And six is the shall not driving on the bright. Number seven is thou shall not drive with a light or with a faulty lights. Number eight, thou shalt adhere to the speed limits. And nine is thou shalt keep the distance. 10 is thou shalt practice patents.